Yo, what's up everyone? JQYPT here, tech away, tech everything. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for subscribing. And today's video is something that I should have done many years ago. It was a promise. Right now I deliver, although it's a bit late. Yeah, but it's better be late than never. Alright, so today's video, very simple. I'm going to show you how to use this Lebensstil Kollektion Espresso machine. Very affordable, less than 300 bucks. It's not a review video yet. I will make that videos very soon. Right now, I'm just going to show you how to use it. Stay tuned for the review video. I've been using this for almost 2 years. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you gotta do is take out the water dispenser at the back, and you fill up. For one person, you only have to fill out until here, alright? Because it's espresso like maybe 70 ml. Later we're gonna use the steamer also, so you might use a bit more. Yeah, if you want to make 2-3 cups, then you add more water. Okay, just fill up the water. I'm gonna put it back. Now turn on the power button, turn on the switch. So this is the power button, the button for you to make the coffee, the button for you to switch to steamer. Yeah, you cannot do both at the same time. You cannot brew the coffee and then steam the milk at the same time. It doesn't has the dual boiler system, okay? It's just single. So right now, what you have to do is wait until the light on this side turn green. That's the time when you can brew the coffee. Meanwhile, I'm gonna grind the coffee bean first. So to save you some time, I already grind my coffee bean. It's I don't know how many grams, I don't really measure it, but it should be fit enough to this 51 mm portafilter from the Lebensstil. You know, should be just right at the line. There's a maximum line here, very hard to see. Anyway, I'm gonna fill it up. It only comes with this portafilter and the dam with a spoon and the dapper thing. Okay, so these stainless steel one, I bought it by myself, so you won't get all those. Okay, I'm gonna use a double shot cup. All right. Okay. This is my SOP making coffee, alright? You don't have to follow me exactly, but this is how the way I like to do it. Okay. Alright, should be okay. Right, that. And put on filter. I like to do this. Same thing, purchase separately, okay? It doesn't include with all those extra. It only includes with the 2 things that I show you. And also this thing, if you want single shot. Right now, put it back. Turn until it reach right at the center here. Okay, right now I can make coffee. Alright, I'm gonna put my small little measure cup here and press this button, and this is how you brew the coffee. I will stop it once the liquid reach until 70 ml. Okay. Okay, almost there. Done. You can see there's a lot of creamer on top. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Set it aside. Check it out. Alright, so right now I'm going to switch it to the milk steaming by pressing the first button on top. The coffee brew light LED indicator is off, and then you're gonna wait for the milk steaming light to turn on. Okay, just to wait about maybe a minute. It will show in orange light. Okay, and this is the switch. Okay, pretty fast. For me, I would take it out of the cover. It's a bit small here.
That's what she said.
Very short and very limited movement. Okay, you cannot like drag it out a bit, so you have to like really close to it and then you foam it. Let me let it out first, because the first time you switch on the milk steamer, you will get some water. Yeah, so get the water out first before you steam the milk. Okay, right now I'm gonna steam the milk. Just switch it until the max. Okay, done. Tap, tap, tap. Look at that. Not too bad. Okay, and make sure you clean the tip of the milk steamer. Wipe it off. If not, it will stick it there forever. I need more water. And also let it out first. Clean the spray head. Pour it here. Yeah. I'm not a professional, so let's see how will I able to pull out the cafe art. Yup. No. Alright, there you go. I'm not a professional here. Okay, let me pour the remaining. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna practice more. So there you have it. That's how you use the Lebensstil Kollektion Espresso machine. Yeah, almost forgot to tell you guys, after you finish milk steaming, turn it off by pressing this button. Yeah, and then press this button, the brew button, to clear the light out. Okay, should be okay. Wait for like few seconds, the orange light will turn off. Only then you can turn off the whole machine. Okay, now it's done. Turn it off. Very easy, not that hard to use. That's the video, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, share this video to friends and family. And if you want to buy, click my link, the product tab here. Yeah, it will help out the channel. By the way, I'm not sponsored by them, just doing a video for you guys, tutorial. And if you want to buy affiliate link, I can earn a little bit more. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.